listen, you got all this, a lot of liquor stores, shit like that. First of all, I'm gonna feed you all the way. You see the Whole Foods in the hood? Have you ever seen Whole Foods in the hood? Because they don't want you to fucking be healthy. If you go to West Orange or wherever the motherfucking places there, you're gonna see Whole Foods because genetically they want them better to be prosperous. At the end of the day, yeah, so in the hood, of course, they gonna feed you garbage shit. Okay, but I'm saying I understand because but listen, let me finish. At the end of the day, there's no revolting when you eat that shit. So I couldn't just like any tactical way of like say I'm conquering the country. I'm gonna go for the weak motherfuckers, clear them the fuck out, and just rebuild. And that's how they do now. Like the hood is turning into communities where white people are coming back to live because they already systematically fucking you. Yeah, you gotta get on the board, brother. I understand. Right, I understand. I'm too smart. Right. Listen, understand all that. But why you had these? No, I'm not drinking these. Like I said, I'm not drinking these shits. No, I'm not picking on you. I'm just saying.
Are you recording the conversation?
I'm just saying you're a bigger part of the solution. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, you're a small part of the solution. You're the small part of the solution. But the thing is the mastermind is just blind the fuck out of people. Like, it's a damn shame. Like, these dumbass niggas be like, yo, this my block, this my ad. Bitch, this ain't none of your shit. Even when you buy a house, you still paying taxes on the motherfucking house. So how that's really your shit? They ain't your money, you still paying taxes. Another way to rape you. Yeah, and you still gotta pay shit. It's just fucking crazy. And they can come and take your shit. You stop paying taxes, so let's say you spend $225,000 on some shit. But you can't afford your taxes. Now they can come in and take your shit.
Yeah, even though technically
so it's no systematic way of. I mean, come on now, like people that own shit. So I'm not saying if you take the CNC sword, I'm just saying that's just a small fragment in the whole systematic plan. That like fuck you.
Wait, what? The CNC is going on everything?
Yeah.
How the fuck CNC got to do with tax? No, remind me of the fucking combo.
No, because he got married.